to do an unboxing today. I have no clue what it is.
All right, open it.
But I do know who it's from.
All right, open it. Let me see.
You don't want to know who it's from?
I already know who it's from.
I kind of picked the...
Weirdest knife ever. Why would you not get a knife with a sharp edge?
I don't know.
Hold on, guys.
I told you my knife would work.
Yeah.
I just had to get the right angle on it. That's a big box! Holy crap! Oh my lord! Oh, and her other pieces are laying down, so if you want to assemble her right, the wings, the side wings are laying down in there. I don't know if you can see them.
I can see them.
And the base stands over here.
Yeah, but what do we do with our Funko Pop art, guys?
I know, but I just...
We don't open them.
I know, but
we don't open them. We don't open them.
Oh my god, that thing is huge! I got my Wonder Woman in my invisible jet.
You know what's funny? He told me to set it up and hit it with a sledgehammer just to see your face.
I would cry.
That's what he told me to do. He wants to see your reaction.
I would physically cry.
He said, "Don't worry about it. There's only 2 left in the stores, then he'll get you one."
I would physically cry if you did that.
I would never do that. He didn't ask me to do that. I was just trying to see.
Like, I would physically cry. That is what I would do. I would cry like a big baby. That's what I would do. I would cry. But that is huge.
Well, that's what it looks like, guys, right there.
I don't know.
No. You open it, you devalue it.
Who said somebody else hasn't opened it already?
I'm sure the guy who put it in there.
I'm not taking it out. I just want to look at it this way.
Ooh.
I just want to put it together. You know what? You'll have to build me an acrylic case for it then.
Why? You're going to put it together, aren't you?
I want to put it together.
Then it has no value because it won't have the box.
Yeah, no, I'll save the box. I'll put the...
Once you put the wings in, they don't come out because they snap in.
Are you sure?
I am 100% positive them wings will snap in.
Man, I want to put it together.
Look at the back. There's a whole collection of them on the back.
Yeah, I know. There's Batman and Robin. And Batgirl and the Joker.
Superman. More Wonder Woman. Supergirl.
Collect the entire line of DC. Oh, this is the whole line of just the DC comic ones. That's
okay.
not...
All right, guys.
The pop rides.
We will see you later.
That's a huge box! If this is number 16, I wonder what other ones they have. I think I love this more than I love you.
Oh.
I'm joking. Thank you, Mike Jeffrey.
That barn needs just a little bit of work. Not much, just a little bit of touch-up work.
All I'm seeing is myself.
Yeah. It's still frosty out. That's snow, but there's still frost on some of the trees up here. But the fog has lifted.
Someone else is driving for a change. Yes, he does know how to do that, I think.
It's questionable.
Yeah, I know. Are you gonna stay on the road?
I'm on the road. I'm just going around a real sharp curve here. Okay? And we're coming up to the town. Not the town we're going to.
Alright, we'll get back to you later. There's Mama and some babies. They're getting pretty big. So we just took the other ones away from their mom because they're going crazy, driving them nuts. There's something in your ear.
Is there?
Yeah.
Could it be a potato?
I don't know, but I see straight through it.
Yeah, I know. You see the wall over here.
I do.
That's okay. It's an empty space up there. That's fine. I understand it. Could you hand me that chips over there?
All right, guys. Here's 3 of the females and the 1 male. We just cleaned their house and gave them fresh bedding. Because for some reason, we give them this water bottle.
They shove stuff in it.
And somehow this was just filled this morning. Oh, here's that.
Jeffrey makes every vlog.
But they managed to get it empty every day, twice a day. I told him we were feeding his babies today. He's excited. He can't wait to have those.
Could you hold that back of that tub?
But
go ahead. Understand what you're saying.
it took Andrew today to the orthodontist. He had to go get his braces adjusted. If anyone is a parent of kids who needed braces, you know how that goes. You're in that office more than you're in your own home half the time. But when it comes time for him to pick his bands, he handed the color wheel rack to me and said, "Hey, Mom, what colors are the closest colors to the Eagles?" So he got jade green and silver. So he stuck with those for 2 months now, though.
That's good. By then, the Eagles have won a Super Bowl.
Well,
don't forget, everybody, 46 away from the big giveaway.
Peppers. So, but we'll let everybody know how we decide to do it and any rules that we'll have to go along with it, of course. So stay tuned. Well, guys, you missed it. I gave her some water and she attacked my nozzle. So we're going to give her some food here. Maybe we can get her to eat. Ah, Jeff, look, see, she's an eater. She's licking her chops saying, "Come here, foodie, foodie, foodie. Come here, foodie, foodie, foodie." I don't know why she's backing up from it. Alright, we'll leave her be. Ah! Let's see. Oh, nothing in there. Hello! Hello! Yippers, they're looking pretty, 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 pretty. Oh, so pretty. Where'd you go, Mama? Where'd you go? Trying to hide. Where'd you go? Ah. There they are. Let's throw a couple in there and see what we get. I'm trying to feed and video and everything with 2 hands, and it's not going too well. Now we'll leave her be. Let's see. Oh, you want to say hello? Say hello to my little friend? Huh? Huh? You want to say hello to my little friend? Alright, we'll get back to you guys. Look at that. It's freaking hanging upside down. It's like I went out of here. Look at that. Hi, you just fell.
What we have to do here is cut the piece out so that gets clipped down in there really better than what it is. It's good for now, but
okay.
You understand what I'm saying, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got the watering system up and going.
Just for the 2, because this water bottle, you're not going to get me in there, right?
No, I didn't get you in there.
This water bottle
I got ya!
is totally useless.
I can't see it.
Totally useless water bottle. Let me tell you something. Walmart crap is crap.
Look at that. They're thinking it's a jungle gym. Alright, I gotta get back to my feeding and whatnot. To videotape something.
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna check. So, you know, I am so excited about this because look at what we got there. It's a lock. I don't want to disturb them too much, but they're stuck together, so we'll leave the hog noses alone. Oh, hold on. Let me put this down. So guess what? We got a lock. Let's just hope we get a lot of babies, eggs. Let's hope we get some good eggs. I will not disturb them anymore. I just wanted to check on them, and whammo, we had a lock. Lock confirmed. I seen it. I seen the hemi peen out, and I seen a 100% lock. Whew. Wish me luck on them guys. Later.